Join us as we step into an inspiring journey of innovation, learning, and digital transformation at the Faculty Innovation Bootcamp on Digital Manufacturing and Industry-Oriented Product Design, organized by the AICTE Idea Lab at Katpagam Academy of Higher Education. Here, faculty members and experts come together to share their knowledge, demonstrating industry-relevant software and practical applications. So, let's dive in and discover what each expert has to share.
Hello everyone, I am Shakna Marakul, Assistant Professor of Mathematics in SNS Department.
Hi, myself I'm Chandralekha, Assistant Professor in Science and Humanities Department Physics in Katpagam Academy of Higher Education, and it is a pleasure to attend the Faculty Innovation Bootcamp program organized by AICTE Idea Lab. And today we are going to see about the softwares like Tinkercad and Creality Slicer software.
Tinkercad is one of the most user-friendly software. Here we can easily export our conceptual ideas into design.
And after completing the design, there is an export option. And the main important thing is we should export the file in STL format. Then only we can open in the Creality Slicer software. Yeah, the same 3D design is open in Creality Slicer software. And the Creality Slicer software is an important tool for 3D printing.
Hi everyone, myself Dr. Kritika, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Science and Humanities.
I am Dr. Lingeshwari, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Humanities. In this bootcamp, we have learned many things like sublimation printing, 3D printing, metal engraving, and CO2 laser printing.
As well as how to fabricate a PCB. And also we have learned many software tools like Tinkercad, Creality,
Fusion 360.
yes, Fusion 360. So, and also the basic Canva configuration tools. So these are the things we have learned. By using these tools, how to design and how to get a product like this. Actually, this is a simple product. We have designed by using Tinkercad and we can get the output like this.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Dr. R. Hemamriya, Assistant Professor in Physics, Department of Science and Humanities, Katpagam Academy of Higher Education.
And Dr. Bhagavati Bama, Department of Science and Humanities College.
Today we have learned about metal marking and metal engraving. This is the instrument we have used. This instrument uses a fiber optic laser source. We can engrave materials like aluminium, silver, stainless steel, gold, etc. We are using EZCAD software for this process. Let's see how the software works. First, the software is opened. We can either design a text format or graphic format, or we can import external files through different sources. After that, we have to set the parameters such as speed, marking speed, frequency, power, etc.
Really, the session was very interactive and useful and provided valuable insights on hands-on experience. We would like to thank the ACIT Idea Lab members for providing us this opportunity to upgrade our skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kritika, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Science and Humanities, KAHE. I have attended the bootcamp organized by AICTE Idea Lab. It was a useful and enriching experience for me. All the sessions were well informative and well planned. Especially, I personally like the interactive sessions and the hands-on training. We have given opportunity to operate all the instruments like 3D printing, sublimation printing, laser printing, and glimpse about the 3D scanning also. We have given training on softwares like 3D designing softwares like Tinkercad and slicers like Creality. We are developing a prototype and we are eagerly waiting for the results now. I thank all the organizing secretaries, tech gurus and the committee organizing this bootcamp.
So we thank you all organizer and everyone, and also we have learned many things as already said. So we thank for Idea Lab for providing this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you for creating this opportunity. Thank you very much.